investigated. Commissioner Chererera?
I cannot come now until you are ready.
Commissioner Chererera?
Thank you, Co-Chair. Co-Chair, you said that at CHERERA we had our own results. I wish that committee will play the clip at CHERERA Hotel. We did not have our own results. What we said is that the results that were going to be announced, we disown them because of the manner of opaqueness that last phase was handled. That's what we said. We didn't say that we had our own results. That's why we are saying now that results need to be audited. And this is not of our own. It is even in law that any elections needs to be verifiable and can be audited at any other particular time. So it is not something that will begin now. It is there in the Election Act. We emphasize that it should be audited and the servers to be opened.
Chair, my name is Catherine. My sister CHERERA. In your own words, you said the results were handwritten and the results even exceeded 100%. And how come you never mentioned this to the Supreme Court? You're mentioning it to us here. And those you brought as even the substantiators of the same never brought it and never, substantiated anything. In your own words, surely.
Honorable Committee, I will invite you to my affidavit to the Supreme Court. Whatever we are saying now, it is in our affidavit that we filed at the Supreme Court. Unfortunately, it's like nothing or not everything was read through. We explained everything that we said, and after the Supreme Court gave its ruling, we said we abide by that because it is the apex court of our country. And as law-abiding citizens, we said, yes, we accept it. And from that day henceforth, the CHERERA court have never spoken until today. Let me submit to this honorable committee that everything we have said, it is in our affidavit.
Okay, the Commissioner, I will request that you allow us, you just stay online, hear a few more questions, then you can note them and answer them together. Honorable says, Governor says.
Thank you, Chair. Let me appreciate the two commissioners, Masit and CHERERA, who have seen it fit to participate in this sitting, and we appreciate that they're there. I have a few questions, and not necessarily to CHERERA or Masit. I think even the commissioners physically present here may want to answer. Number one, the law has been that the final announcement of the presidential vote is actually what is announced at the polling station. And that is what is called the Form 34A. And we have 46,229 polling stations that I need no mention. But I'm just wondering, when Commissioner Wanderi says that they were not tallying as commissioners, did you actually think that 7 commissioners had the capacity to physically tally the 46,229 forms and be able to give the results within 7 days as the law states? Number 2, the matter went before the Supreme Court as a petition. Would you say that the results declared by the chairman were inconsistent in any way with those that were declared at the polling stations? And that brings me to the final statement by CHERERA, where she says she wants the server to be opened. And that has been the language, open the server. The Secretariat was here. The IEBC secretariat was here. And I remember I personally asked the question of the server.